Welcome to the best picks. The best extended stay RV propane kit is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for comfortable and worry-free extended RV stays, ensuring you have enough propane to power your essential appliances like refrigerators, water heaters, and furnaces, no matter how long your adventure lasts. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right kit based on your specific needs and preferences, helping you avoid common pitfalls and make an informed decision. Number 5. Stanbroil Propane Brass 4-Port T-Kit. This kit offers a premium solution for connecting multiple propane appliances. It's built to last with high-quality materials and provides increased flexibility for your outdoor needs. It's made of durable brass and rubber for long-lasting performance. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it can handle various outdoor conditions. This kit features a 4-port T with various connection types, including 1 2-inch NPT, POL, and 1 4 inverted flare. It seamlessly integrates with your existing setup. It includes both a 5 feet and a 12-foot hose, giving you the reach you need for different applications. Connect your appliances with ease. It's ideal for camping, RVing, or any outdoor cooking or heating needs. Take the convenience of propane with you wherever you go. This kit is designed for simple installation and safe operation. Enjoy worry-free use for all your outdoor propane needs. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality rubber and brass, ensuring longevity and safety. It's easy to install and use, perfect for various outdoor cooking needs. If you value durability and ease of use for your camping trips, this is the kit for you. What people say. Product is of excellent quality, both hose and brass fittings, easy to install and use. Appears to be a well-made solid brass fitting. Easy to install and will eliminate the need to use the small and expensive 1-pound propane bottles. Excellent product, easy to install. You will need to ensure there is enough room for the valve to fit between your existing connection at your permanently mounted tank. It fit with no issues on my 1999 E350 motorhome. Nice to be able to hook up my barbecue to the RV tank so I no longer have to bring along another propane bottle. Number 4. AP Products Marshall MR472. It lets you connect extra propane tanks for longer trips. Enjoy the freedom to stay out longer, wherever your adventures take you. It's designed to work with various propane systems. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use. Fuel your portable high-pressure appliances directly from your RV's LP gas system or an auxiliary tank. It simplifies your setup. The kit comes with a brass T connection for efficient gas flow. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. A 5-foot hose is included for convenient connection to your appliances. This gives you the flexibility you need. Connecting extra propane tanks is simple and straightforward. Spend less time setting up and more time enjoying your trip. What we like. This adapter offers great flexibility, allowing you to connect auxiliary LP gas cylinders or tap into your RV system for portable appliances. It's a versatile solution for extended stays. If you need a universal fit and want to power high-pressure appliances, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy to install. Work as should. This extended stay kit was a very easy install. Not only allows a quick hookup to a portable or external place bottle, but has another port where you can connect a grill, lantern, or other portable lip appliance to your motorhome. The product is as advertised and well made. It works great. Number 3. Sturgis 103539 MBSQD Kit. This kit offers a convenient solution for connecting ASME cylinders to auxiliary cylinders. It simplifies the process of feeding your propane system and running appliances simultaneously. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. You can trust it for your propane needs. The quick disconnect feature makes connecting and disconnecting cylinders a breeze. This saves you time and effort. It includes a brass adapter, a 6-foot feed hose with a quick disconnect plug, and a 10-foot appliance adapter hose. Everything you need is right here. The feed hose is a 1 4-inch ID thermoplastic assembly, with a POL tank connection and excess flow protection. It's 72 inches long for ample reach. The appliance adapter hose is also a 1 4-inch ID thermoplastic assembly. It features a number 600 male swivel to male quick disconnect plug and is 120 inches long. This kit allows you to easily manage your propane supply, ensuring a continuous flow to your appliances. Enjoy worry-free propane usage. What we like. This kit's quick disconnects enable easy connection and simultaneous use of an ASME cylinder and auxiliary cylinder. It's built with American quality for reliability. If you prioritize quick and easy connections and American-made quality, this kit is for you. What people say. Works great on my RV, took maybe 5 minutes to install. So much easier to hook a 20 pounds propane tank up than to pack up the RV and go and fill up the onboard tank. If you boondock in winter or otherwise, this is a great addition to be able to use external propane tanks without have to deplete your main onboard tank. Keep your onboard tank full for emergencies and use this valve setup to run an external tank for heating cooking. The second external quick connector is great for using an outdoor grill so you don't have to cook inside the camper. This has been reliable so far and has not leaked. The separate ball valve shutoff at each quick connect is great for safety when chasing out tanks, and a quick connect makes swapping tanks a breeze. I have looked at many adapters for propane tanks, bought a few, and this one is the one I have been searching for. If I am driving down the road in empty motorhome, my rig uses the main tank for the refrigerator, the water heater, and all the other needs. I park, and I have a port to plug in my barbecue, or any other thing that uses those expensive 1-pound cylinders. When I am at home, I can connect my rig to a large tank. No swapping adapters, no unscrewing plugs to screw in a hose, just push in a coupler, open a valve and my motorhome is on a 100-pound cylinder, or even a big tank. Number 2. QD Sturgi-Stay Adapter Kit. It ensures safe and reliable connections for your propane tanks. This kit simplifies the process of connecting ASME cylinders to auxiliary cylinders. It features quick disconnects for fast and easy setup. No more struggling with complicated connections. It comes with a durable 6-foot feed hose for convenient connection. The hose is designed for reliable propane transfer. It's constructed from high-quality brass and thermoplastic materials for long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the demands of various applications. It meets UL and CSA LP gas standards for safe operation. Your safety is our priority. It seamlessly connects your ASME cylinder to an auxiliary cylinder to keep your propane system running smoothly. This ensures a continuous supply of propane. It includes everything you need for a secure propane connection. This kit is a comprehensive solution for your propane needs. What we like. This kit uses quick disconnects for simple connection of an ASME cylinder to an auxiliary cylinder. It's certified for safety and reliability. If you value ease of use and peace of mind from certified components, this is a great option. What people say. Well made and easy to install in minutes. Quality hose and excellent connections. No leaks, fit perfectly on my 2000 Pacero RV propane tank. One for dual fuel generator and the other for refilling or barbecue, etc. These valves are the best way to eliminate having to remove and refill your small RV-mounted LPG tanks. Easy to install. Not having to move my RV for propane refill is great. Number 1. Stanbroil Propane Adapter Kit. This kit makes managing your propane easy. It lets you connect an auxiliary tank, so you don't have to move your RV to refill. The kit's brass tee has multiple connection types for versatility. It's designed for a secure and leak-free connection. It comes with a 5-foot hose for your auxiliary tank and a 12-foot hose for your appliances. This gives you the flexibility you need. Safety is key. It has a built-in safety feature that stops gas flow if a line breaks. This kit allows you to easily connect to an extra propane tank. Enjoy extended stays without worrying about running out of gas. It's ideal for RVers and motorhome owners who want a reliable and convenient way to manage their propane supply. Enjoy worry-free camping. What we like. This kit provides excess flow protection for safety and is designed for extended stays in one location. It's perfect for motorhome owners. If you need a safe and reliable solution for longer stays in your motorhome, this is the one for you. What people say. A definite need if you are parked and can't get your LP tank refilled. Good quality brass, not a cheap casting. High quality rubber hose as well. Easy to install. It is so much more convenient to swap 20-pound propane bottles compared to breaking camp and driving to a refill station. This kit was easy to install. It's really nice not to have to move the rig to get propane. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.